Anne-Marie. This week has been a horrible one. No one understands me.
Penelope! Stop playing with that dang doll or I'm gonna have to throw it in the fireplace!
Come on, Anne-Marie, let's go hide! I wish you were real. Oh, how I wish you were real. Dear old Anne-Marie. Oh, I wish that you were alive with me. Oh, Anne-Marie, please, I will bury you tonight, hoping that you'll come alive and be my friend. I'll dig you a hole, and that's where you will come to life. The deed is done. It's time for me to go to sleep now and see if Anne-Marie comes to life in the morning to be my best friend.
Why, hello there! My name is Anne-Marie.
You gotta be out there.
I'm here to meet Penelope! Where is she? I want to meet her. Rise and shine! Good morning!
Anne-Marie, you're alive!
I'm gonna kill you with my spoon.